Okay, students. So just now we have discussed that how is inner beauty and inner talent is very important rather than outer beauty. Okay. And so always in your life you should give importance to the inner talent of a person. Isn't it? Let us see our lesson then. Odd one in. In this lesson there is a story of two girls. One girl is from city and one girl is from village. Already I told you this one. So let us see. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Rima, who is a city girl, now in her house at the time of dinner, her parents asked her how was the first day of school. Today is their first day of school, and at that time, her parents asked her, how was the first day of your school? Okay, Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. Okay, Rima, by slightly that raised her shoulders and she told, no lessons, just settling in. Miss, today no one has started teaching, just settling in. Here, settling in means just introduction of subject, just introduction of teachers. Okay, something about the timetable, something about the book introduction. All those things only went on. No lesson has started today. Any new girls in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. Mr. Sen, her father, asked her, any new girls in your class? Is there any new girl has taken the admission in your class? Is there any new girl in your class? Her father asked her. Only one, Malti, and she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. Now, when her father asked her, is any new girl in your class? At that time, what the Rima replied? Rima, with a disgusting manner, with an amusement expression, she replied that only one Malti and she is funny. Okay, there is very amazement type of and disgust type of expression on her face, and with that expression, she told Malti and she is funny. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. By that looking, by observing her expression, what her father asked her, why do you say that? Why do you say that she is funny? She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, snipped Rima, naming one at the other end of the country. Okay, she can't speak much English. Why she is funny? Because she can't speak much in English and she come from the another part of the country, the state from the another part of the country, and at that time she showing her disliking towards that state. By naming that state, she shows her dislike, and she told her parents that she can't speak much English as she is belonging from that state. Okay. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. When Rima shown her dislike about that state to that state, at that time her parents told her that the children from that state supposed to be clever. Okay, most of the time the children from that state are clever and they are specially good at maths, and in maths these that childrens are good, their maths are good. Okay, means here Rima has shown dislike and to that state. At that time her parents corrected her by telling that children from that state are supposed to be clever and also very good in maths. Okay. Now look at here. Well, this one does not seem smart at oily hair, bindi, and at all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. When her father told her that the children from that state are clever, supposed to be clever and good in maths, at that time, what the Rima told? What the Rima said? Well, this does not seem smart at all. Though they are clever, but these students, these children, does not seem smart at all by their physical appearance, by their outer look. These children does not seem smart. Oily hair, bindi, and all. Here she is describing Malti. Is Malti is with the oily hair, bindi, and at all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. Here, Rima imitate Malti's sound. She's imitated the voice and behavior of Malti. How was Malti here? With oily hair, bindi, and all. And how she is that saying the good morning? Good morning, teacher. Here Rima imitated Malti. Her parents exchanged glances. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be unseparable at times. Look at here. When she imitated Malti, at that time, these parents does not like this thing. Okay, and that's why they exchanged their glances. They look at to the each other, and Rima was their only child. Rima was their only single child. They doted on her, means they care too much of Rima, okay, and most of the time they ignore her faults, okay, but she could be inseparable at times as they care too much of her and also ignore some faults of her, but sometimes she become inseparable to them. Okay, she become inseparable to them, means by her behavior she shown that there are some that different changes in her, and that time her parents come to know that now she is out of control, inseparable at the most of times. Means here, as the way Rima described Malti, as the way she imitated the Malti, this thing her parents did not like. Okay, the way by which she imitated and by which she described the Malti, this thing her parents did not like, isn't it? Now look at here. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, signed Mr. said as he rose from the table. Now her father's dinner is finished, and so what he told to her, I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti. Here, her father, realized that Rima, by her behavior, will create the problem to Malti. And that's why what he told her, I do hope you and your friend will not make things difficult for Malti. Okay, Malti, as she is a new in this school, she is a new in this city. Her parents, her father told her that I hope you and your friends will not make the things too difficult to Malti, means you will not that create the problems for Malti, okay, as in this new atmosphere. Rima and her gang had decided to do just that. Though her father hoped this thing from Rima, but Rima and her gang means her other friends. Look at here, in school, you are also making your groups of friends. Okay, group of friends. In the same way, Rima's group of friends also in this school in her class, and so Rima and her friends decided to that create the problems for Malti. They decided to create a problems for Malti. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorused good morning. Now look at here. Next morning, as the Malti entered in the class, they all chorused, they all in one voice said good morning. Means here they imitated Malti. Actually, they are saying good morning in the remaining time. But now they decided to give a trouble to Malti. That's why all of them in a one voice say good morning. Okay, means here they want to that tease Malti. Okay, that's why they imitated Malti in her own tone. Poor Malti. She did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, good morning. Now Malti, who was belonging from the rural area, she unaware about this thing. Okay, about the teasing and all those things. So poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. The Malti, she did not realize that these girls are making fun of her. She think that these girls are welcoming her in the class, and so she beamed back. She smiled at them and replied, good morning. Okay, she was unaware about all those things about the teasing, and she was unaware that these girls are purposely doing all those things. So she that in an innocent manner smiled back at them and replied them good morning. Look at here. So here we have noticed that Rima, who was city girl, with her friends, she decided to give a trouble to Malti, to create the problems for Malti, because all of them thought that the Malti was not suitable to their class, as her English is very poor and her physical appearance also. Okay, because she is that the applying oil to her hair. Okay, she is applying the bindi and all those things. Her dressing manner also these girls didn't like, and that's why all of these girls decided to create problems for Malti. But Malti, who was unaware about all those things, she didn't know that all those girls are teasing her purposely. She innocently smiled at them and replying also them in her own tone, good morning. Okay, so in this way, students, here though the Malti is not looking, that her outer look is not very good, not attractive, but it does not mean that you should give the trouble to that type of the girls. Okay, now let us see what happened next. Shehnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Shehnaz, the one girl from Rima's group. What she asked Malti? Why do you put so much oil on your hair? Why do you put so much oil on your hair? In a rudely manner, in arrogantly manner, she asked Malti. Malti looked offended but did not reply. Look at here. Malti, by her tone of by the tone of Shehnaz, she became a sad. Okay, but she did not reply. As a way, as with that tone, that the Shehnaz asked her, "Why do you put so much oil on your hair?" Because of that question, Malti became a sad. Okay, but she did not reply to Shehnaz. And the skirt so long, said Claire cattily. Here another girl, Claire. Cattily means in a mean way, in a cheap way. What she told, what she said, and the skirt so long means the skirt that the Malti is wearing. This skirt is also so long, and so the Claire, with this mean way, said the Malti, and the skirt so long. Malti flushed. Okay, Malti at this time is also become very sad. She was about to say something when teacher entered, and she want to that give the reply to that girls. At that time teacher entered in the class. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. As the class progressed means as the studies started, at that time, as the lecture started, at that time everyone from the class became surprised to see that as whenever teacher asked the question, at that time every time Malti raised her hand and she gave correct answer for teacher's question. Okay, at that time teacher asked the question. At first Malti raised her hand and she gave a correct answer for teacher's question. So everyone from the class become surprised. Means the girl who is looking very that poor, and by her outer look all the girls from that class, that mm, these girls thought that this girl is very poor in a study also by her outer look, because her dressing manner, her physical appearance is very dull, and that's why all these girls thought that this girl is a very poor, and that's why that's why these girls started to give trouble to Malti. But as the class progressed, as the study started, at that time everyone from the class come to know that this Malti is a very intelligent girl, because she gave correct answer to teacher's question. Okay, so here students we come to know that don't judge the person by outer look, isn't it? Already I told you in introduction also that don't judge the person by outer look. Okay students, so here till this we have discussed this lesson. Remaining part we will discuss in tomorrow's period. Till that everyone should learn the meanings those I have gave you today, and read this lesson properly. Okay, thank you so much.